Hi, it's Dave Robison with plantcovercrops.com. I'm in the same area of the field that I was in a little bit ago, where down at the end of the field here, we had a strip where we had annual ryegrass as a cover crop. Again, this was a row where the planter got plugged up or stopped up and didn't plant any corn down through here. So this was also an area where we had a lot of water coming through here this last spring, where we had a lot of flooding in part of this field, especially off to my right here. And so what we're looking at today in this section is down at that end we had the annual ryegrass cover crop. In through here we had no cover crop. This was actually disked as well this spring, and so that down there was no-till. But what I want to look at is how many earthworm holes that I can find in this soil. And as I was digging here, I didn't see very many. We had 32 down at the other end, and looks like what I'm finding here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which most people will tell you is a pretty healthy soil to be able to have 8 earthworm channels. Here's a nice channel right here in the soil, about 3 inches deep. But where we had the cover crop, we had 32 earthworm holes, and here we had, well, here's a few more, 9, 10 earthworm holes here. And again, oftentimes I'll tell farmers that 8 earthworm holes or 8 earthworms per shovelful is pretty outstanding. But one thing I guess I just noticed here too is as this soil was I was digging, is just not a whole lot of life in it here compared to others. There's a nice channel right there as well, but actually that came more from a soybean root from last year's stem. But about 8 earthworm holes where we had no cover crops, 32 holes where we had the cover crop of annual ryegrass. We'll look at some different types of crops, including cereal rye, after a little bit. It's Dave Robison in central Indiana at Robison Farms, mid-August, or late August 2011 for plantcovercrops.com.